Gonna start the dyno. Willie's behind the computer over here. And that's the old man. I don't know whose beard looks better. Maybe I should dye mine gray. I don't know.
It's kind of like, I think I can.
This requires a system.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
Hey guys, welcome to Texas Spirit Adventures. I'm B1, your host, and today we're gonna go take the Fummins to the diesel shop, Holden Brothers Diesel in Bernie, Texas, and we're gonna do a dyno test on it because I've never done one. I don't know how much horsepower or how much torque the truck makes. It's not stock, but it's not crazy, you know, tricked out or anything. So I've always been curious of what it does, and hopefully we're gonna find out today. Yeah. To the left, just like that. Heel to the left. Yeah. Just like that. Just like that.
Maximum fuel, we're achieving maximum fuel with the load because the horsepower is not changing.
Okay.
Torque numbers coming up because we're spooling it earlier and down lower with a little bit more resistance. We could probably ramp it up and pick up another little bit of horse. It's looking like you're gonna make 260 and about 6 and some change.
Cool.
Now that truck's got a whole lot left in it.
Yeah?
There's a lot, oh yeah, absolutely. The timing setting on this thing is so lazy right now. If we change the timing on the truck, it'd probably pick up 50 horse alone, just by timing.
Timing.
Yes.
Cool. Well, found out how much the old Frankenstein makes. 255 and 601 on torque. Not as much as I thought it was gonna be, but Willie says it's got potential. For sure. I wanted to thank these guys for letting me come out and put the truck on the dyno, because without them I wouldn't know. So thanks, Holden Brothers Diesel.
Anytime, man.
I hope you enjoyed the Fummins Dyno video. I'm hoping to be able to do some more work with the guys over at Holden Brothers because they really know what they're talking about. They were telling me that with a little tweaking on this truck, on the 12 valve P-pump, that we can really wake it up. I'm looking forward to that. That'll be pretty freaking awesome. Subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that thumbs up button. Check me out on Instagram at Texas Beard Adventures. Me and the wife and kitties do all kinds of crazy stuff over there. And we'll catch you on the flip side, you dang hillbillies. Now, try to run. You dang Land Rover.
How many vices do you have?
Half a dozen, probably.
Good shit.
Oh,
Way to go, Fred.
Fourth beer.
Patrick.
ain't sitting too good.
Wow! Chicken! My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken?
10% really got me going.
That Dyno. All right, cook those. Cook those two.
What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going. Ow!